Welcome to another component. This is a Panasonic GFCI outlet. If you buy this, wiring is included. It's already tapped to the correct position. This one. And the metal strap is a classic clip type, but this is a wide series. And let's open it. First, remove the wiring. Remove the wirings. To remove it, just loosen this 3 screw, just like that. And just like this one has no cable injector. So what you do is you just turn and pull it slowly. Don't pull it like that. Just turn while pulling it slowly. Also this one is a little bit longer. So turn. Yes, there, okay, see? It's long. It grips through that. Next, just put it on the side. This one is a separate device. Let's open this one by removing screw. That screw. Torque screw. You need torque screw. That's number T8, the smallest from my set. T8. Just do it like that. And just turn it. See? Yeah, that's it. Almost there. Okay, next is, oops, still, there you are. Just put it on the side. The screw, then, see this one? It should be tight so that it won't fall. Next is, just put your 2 nails here. No need for tools. Both 2 nails, then lift it up. Again, this one, then lift it up. Then surely it can be removed, but to remove it, just turn it like that. There you are, so that this will be released. Let's check this one first. This is the ground. Goes through here, and as the contact goes out here. See, that's the screw. This one is the reset button. Just a plastic that pushes. What does it push? Just this guy. See, if you go closer, is it clear? Yeah. Let's turn it on the lights. If you push this one, the set will push like that, and as you can see, it will just touch this small wire. Is this a wire? It's a jumper. So this is not a mechanical, it is an electronics trip. You can see this one is the N, that's the hot, but it both cut the line. See, this one is the other one, this one is the other one, which if you push this, watch it, see, it pushes both contacts. Again, see, it push the both contacts. So this is not defective, still works. So we don't like to remove it, this one, because if you remove this one, the wiring will be misaligned, and we don't need to repair this because it's still good. You can see it's just an electronic parts with an LED, and this is the solenoid. Solenoid will pull this one to trip. Let's check it out. Let's push it first. Push it down. That's the reset. Well, this is what you push, but it's not a mechanical, so it doesn't push that way. But this one, the solenoid, will pull this. Pull, see? If you pull this, if the solenoid is active, it will pull it and trip it again. Put it down, then like that. See? It trips. Next time, we're going to test this. The resistance that trip it. Okay. Again. That's it. And if you put it back, just make sure it's off. It's on the off position. And if you put it back, make sure just like that. Then, got it? Simply check it. Then it's locked. See, it's locked. Simple. Then try it on. See, if you push this, it won't reset because it needs a power to do it. Just put this back. Just get the T8 torque wrench. Sometimes they call it torque wrench, or sometimes it's a star screw. Not just the Allen screw. Okay. Then put this back again. See? Fits well. Then remove it. Next time we're going to test this. This. Okay. Where does it go again? Let's check it out. It's just a puzzle. Oh, that's the ground. Then I hope. Okay. No. Oh, this is the ground. See, it has a ground sign. This one jump through here. Yep, jump through there like that. Then this one goes to here. Ooh. And there you are. Just tighten this and you're all good. Put this back. See? Good.